What's going on, everyone? Back at you again with another video. Today we're actually going to be unloading old Brandon's outlaw race car. It's been sitting up in the trailer since the Five Flag Snowball Derby this past weekend. Ended up having a cancellation on Saturday because of fog, so it's all delayed till this Saturday. So this Saturday we're going to go racing again, but now we just got to pull it in the garage, get us a couple things buttoned up, get it fired up and get it moved, get it ready, and let's go racing. A beautiful day here in Florida. Oh yeah, I'm ready to get this thing going on.
I put it in here on low pressures because of the race.
Yeah.
Alright.
There, she's clear. You get pinched between there, so go.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, I say, what all needs to be done to this thing?
I gotta pull these fenders out and on that side, and then nut and bolt the car. And when I get to a lot of it is adjustments at the track, like getting it back lower where it needs to be.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a little bit heavy. I just gotta like.
That's the old shiftlet fabrication.
Yeah. This is a big ass chunk of rubber for these two.
Coming in hot. Back this beast up, brother. Let's see it. Got the old 7.3. Like butter. Yes, sir. Got the goddamn Arca car back there rotting away in the bushes. We'll get her ripping one of these days. Well, guys, that's going to end off today's video. Hope you enjoyed a little race car action. We'll be able to give you more details as the time comes. But this Saturday, we're going to be at a Snowball Derby. So, should have some updates there. But until then, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, see ya.